been breaking for 10 years straight, so you
That's
know
my trap.
he's here to
Marge,
stay.
get my stun gun.
The energy's a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
All right, guys. So I've got a box here for jlocc619. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm excited of what could happen in a 60-game schedule. I mean, we could have a 400 average guy. Now, I wouldn't consider that to be, breaking the record or anything like that, but I would consider it to be a 400 average. I wouldn't throw any asterisks around, but I think we all understand that, it's one thing to do it in 60 games and entirely another to do it in 160. But Glaber, Gavin Lux. I'd like to see somebody, hit 400 for a season. I think that'd be pretty cool. Also, a couple teams could get hot and just not be catchable. Seth Brown to 199, rookie auto. Seth Brown. G-Man Choi, Acuna, that's good. That's good. Glad to hear it. Garrett Cole, Elvis Andrews, Rod Carew, and Cody Bellinger. Oh, that one's cool. Eddie Murray. Eddie Murray bat. I bet that's less common than your typical hit. Eddie Murray bat. That's nice. Definitely better than the auto. Andujar and Will Smith. Mike Trout, Real Muto, and Lewis Robert. Nicely done. Yeah, it's going to definitely be an interesting season. Texas Rangers foil. And that's it. There wasn't much in that pack at all. Rangel Ravello. It's the dugout short print. Dugout variation. Danny Duffy. Pete Alonso. Yeah, that's true. This is a vintage stock. Jose Rodriguez, Castellanos, another Mike Trout, Freddie Freeman, Francisco Lindor. So this is to 99. Juan Soto, Brian Reynolds, Dennis Eckersley, Alex Bregman cheats. We got our big giant manufactured Mookie Betts card. Johnny Bench, Dylan Bundy gold, Ken Griffey Jr., Jose Abreu, and Vladito. I didn't even see the Wander Franco news. What is the Wander Franco news? Gratterall, Victor Robles, Altuve, Freddie Freeman home run challenge, King Felix gold, Willie Calhoun, Trey Turner, and Bo Bichette. Little something something. They're gonna put Wander Franco in update. Red Sox and Bruce Sutter. Sheldon Neuse, Syndergaard, Eloy Jimenez, Hunter Harvey. You've got to understand Topps. Topps would never put Wander Franco in update. They would hold him as a rookie for the next year. Ooh, nice. Orange Jorge Soler. They would hold him as a rookie for the next year, you know, so that they can put him in every single product as a rookie, just like they did Alvarez. Masahiro Tanaka, Eloy Jimenez, some nice cards. But Soler to 25, super nice. 10 of 25, Jorge Soler. All right, so these are your hits, sir. You've got an orange Jorge Soler, Suter and the Red Sox, Freddie Freeman home run challenge, Bo Bichette, Mookie Betts, Jose Rodriguez rookie, that is to 99, 85 out of 99. You've got a Ravello rookie, that is a short print. You've got a Lewis Robert. You've got the Eddie Murray. I really like the Eddie Murray. Seth Brown, black bordered. That is actually 199 out of 199. eBay 1 of 1. And Gavin Lux. It was pretty good. I mean, that's nice. Nothing to jump up about, but still pretty nice. Whoo! Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember,
He's been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
this has been a production of CFB TV.